Welcome back to Mindis and AI Trading, where human experience meets AI-powered precision. Today we have something special. We're diving deep into the Ethereum one-month chart, where the RSI is approaching two major levels, and the entire crypto market might be waiting for what happens next. If you're an Ethereum investor or swing trader, don't miss this signal. Let's get into the chart. What you see here is the ETH/USD chart on the 1M time frame, and below, the RSI with two powerful lines drawn. A descending yellow trend line, connecting the major RSI tops, and a horizontal red rejection out support line, right at the 60.5 level. This structure is not random. Let me explain why. Back in August 2020, the RSI broke the yellow trend line, signaling that momentum is shifting. But it hit resistance at the red line. In November 2020, RSI broke the red line, and that was the start of Ethereum's massive bull run. Now fast forward to today, July 2025. Look at where we are. RSI is pushing again right against both the yellow trend line and the red horizontal level. History might be about to repeat. This setup is not just seen by retail traders like us. You can bet that institutional investors and whales, the real market movers, are watching this exact RSI structure. Why? Because long-term trend shifts on the monthly RSI are often used by quant desks, hedge funds, and algorithmic strategists to enter long positions. They don't buy breakouts randomly. They look for high-conviction signals. This could be one of them. If RSI breaks above both lines with strong confirmation, that's when the big capital flows in. And when that happens, retail follows. So watching this signal is crucial. Let's look at two possible scenarios. Bullish breakout. If RSI breaks above the red line and closes strong on the 1M chart, we might be looking at the early stages of a new bull phase for ETH. Potential targets. Back to $4,500, possibly even new all-time highs in the longer run. Bearish rejection. If RSI fails at resistance again, like it did in November 2024, we might see a deeper correction. ETH could revisit $1,500 or even lower. This RSI zone is the macro battlefield. The Ethereum RSI is at a historic point. Just like in 2020, a breakout could mean massive upside, but failure here could trigger another downtrend. Are you watching this RSI level? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more analysis like this every week. Thanks for watching. This is Mindis from Mindis and AI Trading. See you in the next video.